Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I will show it to you how you can basically hide all the legend except the one in by default in ChartJs. Okay, so this is my ChartJs and this is the line chart. Okay, and here you can see that when I refresh it, by default the five legends are showing and all are activate. So in this video, I will show it to you how you can hide all the agents like this and only activate one by default when I refresh the basically call this graph or refresh the chart. Okay, so how I can achieve this? This is our today topic agenda. So this is very simple. I will show it to you. So how you can basically only active the one legend and all other legends are hide. So go to inside your code to the specific data where you basically create the data or pass the data to chart. Here this is the inside the data set. Here you can see that on the first, this is the maximum temperature, the first one, and I want the first one active and all others are basically to hide by default. So here write this property that is hidden, and inside the hidden pass the true. It means that by default hidden these legends. Okay, and after this save the file and go to the browser and let's check what it here. Okay, if I refresh it, here you can see that by default only one legend is showing and all the legends are basically hide. Okay, you can okay, so I can, when I click on this, then it will activate. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, just go to the video description question link. This is my own website link and you can ask any question from there. I will answer to it to you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.